Okay. Okay, can you see it now, sir?
Yes, carry on. It's showing now.
Okay, so you suspect the sender of this email is hiding something. Can you obtain the secret message? So
Kingsley, just hold on. You solve your own after Inone. Sorry,
so
Inone,
the first thing we're going to do. Okay, sir, no problem, sir. Okay, can I continue now, sir?
carry on. Sorry for disruption.
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. So I'll click to download. Okay. Okay, it has downloaded. So I'll come to my Kali. So I'm already in my, let me increase the size a bit. So I'm
Yes.
already in my downloads for directory. So I can do the ls command. Let's see what is here. So this is the file we've gotten. So for us to open this file, I think to open this file, I had an issue. So I had to install a file called, I think, mpack. Let's see. Let me see if, okay, I'm coming. Let me get the, I think let me try to get, but the name of the file, this is the name of the, what I downloaded for me to be able to open the file. I couldn't open it directly on my Kali. So I had to download, but I'll try and get the format for us to install it. So that was what I used. Then for us to unpack it after you install it, so I use the command. I use this command, this monpack command, which is monpack. I think yes. Then I put this /t. I think the first time I had issue doing this T can help us, but let's try it like without the T. Let's see what will happen. Which will be our file is urgent. Because please take note, do not remove the quotation marks, the quotes. Please, very important. Okay. So let's try. When I do it, it did not allow me. So let me try the C command because I searched and so side monpack. Then let's try the T. And let's write the name of the file again. Okay. .eml. And let's try. So now we've been able to unlock two files. These are the names of the two files. Part 1, which is a plain text, WAV text 2, which is an HTML file, So we can open, let's do ls, so we can see these are the two files we got from this document urgent. So let me open the part 1. Let's see what is inside. So he said this is not the clear text for the original message. I want to deliver to you. Yet recently was exploring this wonderful technique that I can use for hiding secrets inside clear text messages. Let's see if you can unhide it. This is part 1. Let's open the part 2. So let's see. So we got an HTML element. A div is an HTML element like a container. It has this attribute of a direction for left, and then this is the closing tag. So we've gotten these two. So I got a site for decrypting like hidden messages hidden codes in the messages. So the name of this site I used was oloway.nz. So I'll click on the secret message section of it. Okay, I think it needs a minute. It's still loading. Okay, perfect. So this is it. The first part is to encode a message. The second part is to decode. So it's showing us example. This is a potential secret message. It showed us what the answer is, but this is what we need. So we try our first text. So I'll copy our first text here. Let's see. Okay. With Ctrl+Shift+C, we'll copy. Then I'll come here to the decode section, then paste. So now I'm seeing it, but I'm getting errors from it. I'm not getting a message inside. What I'm getting does not look like a message. I'm getting a form of a code again. So I'll probably delete this. Let's try the second one. Which the second one looks more elaborate, an HTML document. Okay, sorry. So okay. So let's try the second one. So I'll copy Ctrl+Shift+C. Let's try this now. Ctrl+V. I'm still getting error messages. So what I did, I tried by deleting these elements, the div elements from it first. Deleted the first part. I'm still getting JPEG. So what I did, I came to the top part. Then I started using the delete button instead of backspace button. So I started deleting elements of the div to see where I can get the exact message I'm looking for. So I'm clearing, I'm still getting funny messages. Clearing, still funny message. Still getting a funny message. Let's see. Okay. Okay, good. So I deleted to this extent. And this is what I got. Okay. Yeah, yeah, secret message. Okay. Yeah, my secret message is sweet. Yeah, this is what we're getting. Let me see something. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's what we're getting. So, okay, 1 minute. Let's see. Yes, so getting this back again. So, a minute. So, I didn't get. So, this is the message they are telling us. So, the message we have is that, yeah, is my secret message is sweet. This is the secret message. Sweet. Yes, this everything here. So I can copy this exact thing. So I need, yes. So I can copy this, Ctrl+C. Then, okay. But here they said the format of the flag is flag, secret, then the secret message in curly braces. So I think let me try and change the screen I'm sharing to my Google Chrome because I used Google Chrome. So let me see a minute, please. Okay. Let me share again. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, we are seeing your screen.
Okay.
We can see your screen.
So, okay, so the format is flag secret message. But this is what we've got in here. This tweet TTQ, but the format we're having is flag and the secret message is a capital letter. So what I can do, I can decide to just type what is here. T in capital letter, T U Q U E E Q Q U. Because that's what is here. TWEET TUQUEEQU. So I can actually delete this. Then I'll put the flag. Yes, and our curly braces. Let's see if that's what we'll get. And let me submit. Okay, it's telling me wrong. Okay.
I think it's small letters, not capital letters.
Okay, because what is here, Shy, is secret message. So let me try again.
And it's the tweet is 3 times, I think.
Yes, and that was what I got in the first one, but I don't know why when decoding this, I'm getting something different. Maybe I'll have to check again.
Yeah, it's
So,
okay. I think you have done well.
Yes, sir.
You have done well. Another way you can do that, if that message you downloaded, the file you downloaded, if you
Yes, sir.
have what do they call it? This what's this thing they use for assessing uh it's a Microsoft tool for checking email. How can this stuff just escape my mind?
Okay.
Is it one look? Okay.
Yes.
If you have
Okay.
one look,
Outlook. Okay.
Outlook, I say one look. If you have Outlook on your system, you can just open that message directly on Outlook. Okay, let me share my screen. You can stop sharing
Okay.
your screen. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I think you might not have to be going through all those long processes. It's still the same website. Okay, I'll stop sharing your screen. So let me
Yes,
share
sir.
my screen. First, let me share the message. So this is the message. Okay, with Outlook. I opened this with Outlook. So let me close it and go back to download. So if you check inside my download, you see the message there. That's this urgent. That's the message, right? So I open it with Outlook. I'll open it with Outlook. I don't know if you can see my Outlook opening, or I still have to share that differently. That's my challenge with this, with using so this is the message inside Outlook. This is not the clear text. The original message, I want to blah blah blah. So that is the message. Okay, so you can just copy this message the way it is like this and take it to that your website. What's the website again? Hello something.
Holloway, yes, sir.
Holloway. Can you see my browser? Can you see my browser? Eh? You cannot see it.
No, it's still showing the Outlook.
Okay, let me share my browser. This. Okay, so this is my browser. So this is the holloway.nz, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just go down that last place where you have decode and copy that message from Outlook. Paste it there. Copy the message and paste it there, and it will decode it directly. You don't have to be going through that Kali command. Did you understand? Inone? You're laughing. The thing is funny, but so that's just the straightforward way of doing it. So you can see the flag there. Oh, you are here. My secret message is tweet, tweet, tweet. So that is the another simple way of doing it. So who is next? Let me see. Who is supposed to do loud? Kingsley, yeah, Kingsley. Please come and do loud for us. That challenge is very important to us. Let me stop sharing.
Louder. Oh
So
no.
thank you, Inone. You did great.